How to add multiple videos to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're looking to spice up your Instagram stories by adding multiple videos, you're in the right place. So today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to do that. First, open up your Instagram app and then go to add a story. Tap on the option beside recents, and now you can select multiple videos. After taking the videos that you want, tap the side arrow and then you can trim it and arrange the videos however you want. So you can move the videos, so you can move the second video first. Instagram will set it on default by how you choose it, but you can move it however you want. And then tap the side arrow button again and then you can share it. So the stories will appear like this on your Instagram. However, if you want both of these stories on the same video, then what you can do is go to plus icon and then choose reel and then choose the videos, tap on next. And then just tap on next and then you can tap on the video again and there you'll see a download option. Download it and that's it. Now you can add the saved video to your story. This is how you can add multiple videos to Instagram story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.